National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until midnight. Tonight, the winter storm warning has been canceled. Timing: snow beginning to spread into central Illinois. Snow is then expected through the afternoon through mid-evening. Accumulations: total accumulations of 3 to 5 inches are likely by late evening northwest of the Illinois River Valley, and 2 to 3 inches from the Interstate 55 corridor to the Illinois River, with locally higher amounts in areas around Galesburg and northwestern Knox County. Southerly winds will shift to the northwest around and rapidly increase. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour or higher will be widespread by 3 p.m. and remain that high until around 9 p.m. Impacts: extremely difficult travel is expected, as the falling snow is whipped around by the strong winds. Visibilities will drop below a quarter mile due to blowing snow, especially in rural areas. In addition, the combination of rapidly falling temperatures and high winds will produce favorable conditions for the development of black ice on area highways. Drifting will also be an issue, particularly on north-south oriented roads and along the Interstate 155 and 55 corridors. The winds may also cause some tree damage and power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: McLean and Woodford. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until midnight. Tonight, the winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Timing: snow beginning to spread into central Illinois. Snow is then expected through the afternoon through mid-evening. Accumulations: total accumulations of 3 to 5 inches are likely by late evening northwest of the Illinois River Valley, and 2 to 3 inches from the Interstate 55 corridor to the Illinois River, with locally higher amounts possible. Southerly winds will shift to the northwest around and rapidly increase. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour or higher will be widespread by 3 p.m. and remain that high until around 9 p.m. Impacts: extremely difficult travel is expected, as the falling snow is whipped around by the strong winds. Visibilities will drop below a quarter mile due to blowing snow, especially in rural areas. In addition, the combination of rapidly falling temperatures and high winds will produce favorable conditions for the development of black ice on area highways. Drifting will also be an issue, particularly on north-south oriented roads and along the Interstate 155 and 55 corridors. The winds may also cause some tree damage and power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county: LaSalle County, Illinois. Timing: rain will change over to snow through the afternoon and early evening, with snow becoming heavy at times. Snow will linger through the night. Northwesterly winds continue to strengthen through the afternoon and persist through the night. Snow accumulation: total accumulation of 6 to 9 inches is likely, with locally higher amounts possible if heavy snow bands with thunder snow occur. Snow could accumulate in excess of 1 to 2 inches per hour during the late afternoon and early evening hours. Northwest winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour are expected. Impacts: the combination of the heavy snow and very strong winds will result in blizzard conditions, which include visibility at or near zero and significant drifting of snow. This combination of wind and very heavy snowfall rates will make travel extremely dangerous, or even impossible at times, given that it may be very difficult to keep up with snow removal. The strong winds may also result in minor damage and sporadic power outages. Strong winds gusting over 40 miles per hour will continue as the snow winds down tonight, resulting in continued blowing and drifting snow. Wind chill values will plummet to dangerously low levels, from 0 to 5 below zero by early Friday morning. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you.